Hi everyone and welcome to FXDD webinar. Today we are having a live trading session and I hope that we will make pips as usual. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Also, please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start live trading, and have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. On these web addresses, you can sign up for more live education and live trading webinars. So don't forget to sign up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And now we are ready to actually roll. I'm already in a trade, and this is a small risk trade as always, guys. I had 2 winning trades this week, and basically now we actually have, again, we have a nice trade. And here you see the Australian dollar yen. It's a long trade. I already closed Euro GBP and Australian dollar Swissy in profits. Now we have Australian dollar yen. My logic is that this is a bullish market. This is the first swing. This is the second swing. And now we should have a third leg to the upside. Of course, stop loss is in place. It's a small risk. As you can see, I'm only risking profits. Already, I started to build up this account from 10,000. Now it's 11,236 balance. So we will see what will happen actually with this trade. But of course, we have stop loss in place, and if it gets hit, it won't be a big loss. You always need to base your trades on how much you're willing to lose, not how much you're willing to win. Because you're effectively trading the risk. And the logic is here. Basically, this is a one swing, guys. Here, then we have another swing here. So this is the first swing in this 1 hour uptrend after some consolidation. Then we have another swing here, okay? And this is a signal for potential third wave to the upside on 1 hour time frame. Now, of course, it could be like that the price will it's a bit slow, especially because we have NFP this week, so the price is a little bit slower. But then again, of course, I said that around these levels here we could actually go long. So this is the zone, as we also have a trend line here that is in place. See, there is a trend line here, and now you can place it like here. You have 2 trend lines, ascending trend lines. Here, this is the first one, and this is the second one. So let's see if the price will, of course, make a bounce from these levels. Actually, the price needs to go above 78.90 in order to effectively get some momentum towards our full TP. Now, the full TP is actually the confluence of the ATR. We should change the ATR to 15. Okay, so I will change the ATR to 15, to 5, sorry, to 5. And you see the projected ATR target to the upside is 79.33, but we also have the confluence here at 79.40 and 44. So I decided to put the final target around 79.40. But as I'm saying, always, guys, protect your trades. If the price gets to 79, let's say 0.5, I might protect my trade moving. If it breaks, of course, 79.02. If it breaks it to 79.05, 0.6, then I will place my stop loss here around 79.02. So I will automatically secure for 13 pips for the first entry, and 24 pips for the second entry. So yeah, I will do that, but the price really needs to break above this line. Here we had a gap. The gap has been closed. The price struggled to break weekly H4, but then again, now we see a little bit of strength, of yen strength. So yeah, the Australian dollar is going down, of course, as I say, our stop loss is in place. Well, I still have a possibility to make maybe another other trade. Let's see if we will get any signal. Currently, Euro GBP is making another push to the upside, but I already closed it in profit, so I'm not taking another entry. Euro dollar could start, and actually it could start a counter trend move. Okay, but here you see Euro GBP is really looking like it could go up. I might actually make another trade. Let me just check. It could actually go up again. Okay. It could. You see, this is inverted head and shoulders. So, yeah. Okay. I will probably do another trade. Okay. Let me just check. Okay. I will see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, do not hesitate to ask me. Okay. Yeah, I will buy this. Now it's a little bit up, but I will go with 0.10 lots. Yeah, small risk here, guys. And of course, if the price drops, I will add more. That's what I will do. This is it. So I'm in one more trade. It's Euro GBP. So its entry is in between 75.90 and 85.90 and 85.75. So if the price drops here, I will make one more trade. I will actually make one more entry. If the price drops, it will be 85.75. Yeah. So pending order also has been made. You can see it here. This is a pending order. So let's see what will happen. So Euro GBP, I'm still expecting this to go up. I have another confirmation. This pattern is called also T89. It's Marubozu of my EMA. And you see that this is a momentum candle. And also if you zoom it in, okay, here, we zoom in. You see that it's a rejection from 88.6. So again, this is a Euro GBP entry, and yeah, I think this could also be profitable. I think I will wait for this to actually develop, and I think at least I can make well 20-25 pips, full 20-25 pips, but it needs to go up. It's also high volatility trading method, rejection straight from the 88.6. So let's see what will happen. I think this could be a nice trade. Yeah. And the price is, and you see this is head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. This is left, this is head, this is the right shoulder. So we have now 3 entries here. Australian dollar yen 2 entries, Euro GBP 1 entry, and if the price makes a pullback, I will add one more position to the Euro GBP. Have in mind that Euro GBP also has a higher pip value than other pairs. Okay, this is the Australian dollar yen. Yeah, okay, let's open my template. Okay, here we don't need this. Okay, we don't need Mare Mat here. Not sure why it's placed here. And 1 hour time frame. We can scan for other pairs. Euro dollar, simply it's ranging now. Nothing is happening. Australian dollar, we see now is pulling back. Yeah, this is also signal, but to me it looks like it could actually be a little bit, yeah, 38 pips, not good. I would avoid this. If the price gets there, only then I could actually, I need to actually put its maximum distance should be 31, not more than that. So we should lose these arrows here. Yeah, so only if the price gets here and then makes a U-turn or a pullback or there, only then I can go short. It's too low for me. We also, guys, when you sell or buy, you need to apply those filters. My system, Camarilla MACD, has a good filter. For example, if the price is too far from this middle line, dotted line, then I don't make entries because the retracement is not big. So everything in Camarilla MACD is automated. So if you see Camarilla, if you see that Camarilla MACD is giving you a signal, it's usually for a good reason. And you see, the price needs to be close to this middle line. I don't like to buy or sell if the price is too far from the middle line. That is my rule, and that is the rule is incorporated into the Camarilla MACD MTF. Euro Swissy, yeah, Velislav is saying that we have a Euro Swissy potential trade. Let's see Euro Swissy. Let me just open it. I'm not sure that I have it here. I'm not particularly trading Euro Swissy a lot. It should be there. Yeah, it should be there. Yeah, I don't see any signal here actually. There is a potential that a price, but I think this is counter trend. I don't see trend potential here because the price moved there, rejected here, and now you see we have an ascending trend line. So this could be actually a counter trend move. Velislav, not for Camarilla MACD. This is not Camarilla MACD signal. Okay, so I'm keeping an eye on the Australian dollar yen, the trade that I have, and the Euro GBP that is going up. As I said, I already closed my Euro GBP. It was approximately 15 or 18 pips of profit. But if this trade goes as I wish, I need more than that. I think there is a nice potential for the price to proceed further up. Okay, I don't see anything else. Let's see. Do we have something on Swiss yen? Yeah, I knew we had something, but you see the ATR is very low, 21.46. So I would avoid this. It's like struggling to go up. Nothing good. Euro CAD downtrend, but we need a pullback. Euro Australian dollar flat totally. Australian dollar CAD too much to the downside. We need a retracement to the upside. So a retracement to the upside is needed. New Zealand dollar, yeah, this was the signal. Here, yeah, 30. I would use actually 45 pip stop loss, and you see it dropped 58. Now we don't have anything. The Australian dollar, New Zealand, nothing. CAD yen, nothing. GBP, Australian dollar, yeah, no signal. So guys, this is it basically. I don't see anything else except for the Australian dollar yen and the Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, obviously the price has confluence on my T89. It has a nice Marubozu candle of the EMA. It's also high volatility trading setup. Now I will talk about high volatility trading maybe other time, but it's also one of my proprietary methods for trading. So this is definitely a rejection from 88.6. And we have a diamond signal here. The price is going up, uptrend. So I'm keeping this long trade, of course. We have a stop loss in place. So let's see. This is everything is low risk, and I'm building the account slowly, low risk trades. The Australian dollar already explained. We have a zigzag here. Bullish. This is the third wave, third push to the upside. Usually the first 3-4 maximum on 1 hour time frame waves are good. So I expect the price to actually proceed further up. This was actually the last chance to sell it here, you see, here and there, and then the price made a U-turn, so we could actually benefit. If the price is in real uptrend, then it should go up. If not, then the price will hit our stop loss and get back into a ranging mode. But this was also good. You see here, yeah, we don't trade at 7, 9 o'clock. It's too late, so only the London, New York session. Here, yeah, 11 o'clock, good signal. This is a good signal. This would, I wouldn't trade this. It's 7, 8 o'clock. In the 7 p.m., 8 p.m. I don't trade then. 6 p.m. the last chance, yeah. And you see, after this, the price made inverted head and shoulders and went up. So I really think that it should go up, at least during the New York session and maybe during the Tokyo session. If we don't get stopped out, I think the price should go up. So yeah, and here we have inverted head and shoulders. So guys, if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to ask me. If not, we can call it a day. Let's see what will happen. So Euro, GBP, and Australian dollar, yen. 2 trades running, small risk both. I'm adding to buy. I have a buy limit. I will add to a new position if the price drops a little bit further. If anything is not clear, guys, of course, feel free to ask. Clear stop loss, clear TP, and just one more thing regarding trade management. Once we make 23, 24 pips or 20 pips, move your stop loss to at least plus 15 or plus 20 pips, depending on the move to profit. So if the price gets above 86.10, I will protect my trade to at least plus 15 pips here on the Euro GBP, because Euro GBP has a higher pip value. And I will secure my profit. So if the price gets to 86.11, 12, I will move my stop loss to 86.08, for example, and I will secure 17 pips. Same thing for the Australian dollar, yen. If the price moves to 72, let's say 10, because this is the median level between this zone, this level here, and the ATR pivot point, so somewhere here. Yeah, I would definitely move my stop loss in profit for both trades. The first trade would be then approximately 20 pips, and the third trade would be probably 30 pips. But I would see that both trades actually are on the average 20 pips in profit. That would be cool. So yeah, I will do that, because especially the market is slow. We have NFP this week, ADP also tomorrow. So NFP is on Friday with all accompanying data such as average hourly earnings and unemployment claims. So you need to be ready for a slower market, guys. Markets are moving slower. They're waiting for the NFP, and mostly they will range. So that is why we need to secure pips. We don't do set and forget. Secure your profits always. Thank you guys for listening. I don't have anything more to add. I wish you a great trading week. I hope that our setups will come in profits. And of course, subscribe for more live analysis and live trading videos. Cheers, guys. As always, trade safe.